few weeks after Sandblast Rally. Car's been on the trailer since, kind of assessing the damage with the bumper, the exhaust, and that's about it. The car ran flawless throughout the event. We got a 5th overall finish, 2nd in the all-wheel drive light class. Not too many issues other than a service penalty. Just kind of did some math wrong and kind of screwed us in the long run, but it's all good. I'm gonna do a quick little time lapse of washing the car. We're gonna get it inside, get it up on stands, and we are going to fix that bad dude right there. But real quick, want to give a shout out to some of our contributors: Heckler Brewery, Redline Auto. They help mount and balance the tires. Also help paid for the veterans hotel rooms down in Chariot. Wilby Hoodie provided 8 awesome Gen 1 Wilby Hoodie bomber jackets. So our whole crew had those. Got up here. Phil's Tire Service. He hooked us up with the Hoosier Rally tires. Thai Auto Detailing. They are now, I believe, Royal something detailing out of Fayetteville. I'll get back to you on that. But yeah, the Racing for Heroes Rally team did awesome down at Sandblast. What's going on? So I got the car washed, scrubbed down, pressure washed underneath, and now we're gonna kind of assess the damage and after race things that we need to address. One of the things that we need to address is that exhaust hole right there. And the last stage came in contact with another racer's exhaust, and that was the outcome. So got the car up on the jack stands. Gonna go ahead and pull that mid-pipe section off, cut it out, weld it up, and put it back on. Alright, so I made kind of like a little template on the table just so we can ensure that we don't twist up the exhaust. We get it marked in some key points, and we will ensure that the mid hanger is in the same spot, and just make sure that the overall shape is still the same. So we'll get to it. There we go. We'll bend that up, make it look like an exhaust. The entire exhaust. Got my patch welded up, got the bracket welded on. It's not pretty, but it'll hold. So I'm gonna get my grinder out, clean it up, paint it black, and we'll go ahead and put it back on the car. I got the exhaust all painted up, sitting next to the car, ready to go in. So we're gonna crawl up under the car, take a look at it, get it mounted up, and get back to it. So I just finished up the exhaust, tightened everything down. The exhaust is painted, cleaned up the underside a little bit. We're going to fire it up, make sure that there's still no exhaust leak. So, here's the rear. Alright, well that's the end of the post Sandblast Rally issue fix and car review. We'll see you at the next rally.